that in the past. She knows the drill. She is a champion.
We are dead.
Okay,
It was all about the character.
It was all about the characters.
No, but
you can
let's try.
ask us about Gattu and Binny will know everything.
Because you know these days people ask if हमें क्या मिलने वाला है, so like it's best that we, from experience. We'll start with the gents first, if you allow.
Gents first.
Yeah, is that type of film actually? Is that type
We
of
should
film?
start with her though, but yeah.
Hey, gents first बोला तो you should start.
I'm saying we should start, but yeah.
Let's
if
break
you
the
want
clutter. It should be clutter breaker.
Hi, I'm Rajkumar Rao.
Hi, I'm Shruti and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.
Now, Shruti Hassan and Rajkumar Rao, considering that you guys have done this film and you spent a lot of time in the cold of Lucknow.
Oh, yeah.
It was
So
cold.
yes, so we have this quiz that how well do you know each other? You've played that in the past. She knows the drill. She is a champion.
We are dead.
Okay,
We're
so
both
how
very
well could you open
selfish
our Wikipedia
actors.
page?
We
Yeah.
should just say it on camera. We were like,
These are simple
It's about,
questions.
it was all about the character.
it was all about the characters.
No, but
you can
let's try.
ask us about
It is-
Gattu and Binny will know everything.
These
No,
are
no.
simple questions.
Okay, let's see.
Don't
Okay,
worry
let's
about that
see.
at all. And there will be options. You just
Shame,
have
shame,
to.
You can
shame
ask
on
me,
your
and you
life.
can
ask me about what's her father's name, mother's name,
Yeah.
sister's name.
Don't ask me that.
We'll do
I don't know
that.
her birthday. Don't ask me that.
Definitely, we'll do that, and you can win something for this as well. So now, you know that competitive streak as well
Okay,
has to
I'll
come into. There's a Bluetooth speaker that you can possibly.
You're not supposed to
do that.
tell us. We should be surprised.
Yeah.
What is
What if I
this?
say the diamond ring in
Basically,
it?
they're not showing the speaker to you.
Acha.
That is once you see that, then you get to know.
ठीक है, okay.
आपको कुछ तो, because you know these days people ask if हमें क्या मिलने वाला है, so like it's
Yeah.
best that we, from experience, that we tell all the pattas right in the front itself.
Actually,
Okay.
we need speakers.
हाँ जी.
I'll let her win then. Yeah. I just want.
लेकिन यार आप उनको गिफ्ट मत करना अगर आप जीतो. ये आजकल पिछले काफी बार में ये हुआ है that एक बंदा जीतता है वो दूसरे को गिफ्ट कर
Oh,
देता
but
है.
that's good.
That compliment.
But I'm pretty sure she'll win.
At least for camera तो आपको competitive streak
But
रखिए.
listen, I'm
छीनने
pretty
वाला
sure she'll
कोई
win.
होना चाहिए. That should be there. Okay, so we'll start with the gents first, if you allow.
Gents first.
Yeah. Is that
Why
type
not?
of film
Whatever
actually?
you
Is that
want.
type
We
of
should
film?
start with her though, but yeah.
Hey, gents first बोला तो you should start.
I'm saying we should
Yeah.
start, but yeah.
Let's
if
break
you
the
want
clutter. It should be clutter breaker.
ठीक है.
जैसे आजकल कॉर्पोरेट उसमें होता है clutter breaker होना चाहिए. Okay, so how well does Rajkumar know Shruti Hassan? Let's find that out. What's her debut Hindi film? I'll tell you the options as well.
Luck.
Really?
Without options. Without
I'm
options.
going to do that. I'm going to do
Without option. Okay.
Okay. ठीक है, पहले से बोलो.
Rajkumar, when's her birthday? I'll give you
It's
options.
between Jan to December.
I'll give you
and
options.
Okay,
I'll give you options. 25th Feb, 21st August, 2nd June, 28th January.
It's between 25th Feb and Jan. Between these two. 28th Jan and 25th Feb.
हाँ.
Give me 1 second. I'll edit this pause later.
He's going to win.
Take a pick. Your first guess was right actually.
Yeah, actually it was. I was quite surprised.
Feb?
What did you say?
28th Jan. 28th Jan. Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct. Oof.
So,
Half marks.
2-0. I think इतना तो मैं मेरे ख्याल से I think help will keep
2-0
up
नहीं.
2-0.
2. अभी 0 शुरू नहीं है. 2.
हाँ,
2
2-0,
right.
हाँ.
2-0. He's got both the questions right.
Yeah.
In which of the following language Shruti Hassan has not done a film yet? Okay, Tamil, Kannada, Hindi, Telugu. Which language she has not done a film? 3-0. He is good. Okay, now this one I think is slightly difficult, hopefully.
Okay.
Because we have to make it a bit competitive otherwise. In which year did she make her Telugu film debut in?
Even I don't remember.
2001, 2009, 2011, 2015.
2009.
ये आपका फाइनल जवाब है.
Oh yeah.
लॉक किया जाए.
जी, कर दीजिए.
It's 2011. So 3 out of 4. Okay, and can you spell Shruti Hassan for us?
SHRUTI
Wrong.
HAASAN, sorry. Yeah.
3 out of 5. So we've made
Oh
it.
shit, I knew it.
But
HAASAN.
I love this
We've
question
made it.
because let us clarify it once and for all. It's
It's
HAASAN.
Hassan.
Yes.
No, I knew it. I just
Full marks to us. So 3 out of 5,
Super
not
fun,
bad.
super
But now we have it like a competitive thing going, and if she equals that, then we'll have more questions for
No,
you guys.
God, I'm really scared.
Okay, so
Please don't be offended.
Don't worry.
हाँ जी. So how well does Shruti Hassan know Rajkumar? What is his Twitter handle name? We can give you options if you want.
Yeah.
It's Gattu, it is I am Rajkumar Rao, it is Rajkumar Rao, it is Rao Rajkumar.
Rao Rajkumar.
ये आपका फाइनल जवाब है?
I am Rajkumar.
आप कितने और ऑप्शंस दे सकते हैं आपको? It is Rajkumar Rao.
I thought it's Rao Rajkumar.
No, it's Rajkumar.
Rajkumar Rao.
Zero.
Sorry, zero.
Sorry about that.
I thought it can't be that straightforward. Yeah.
He is a straightforward guy.
Sorry, huh?
What's his birthday? I can give you options.
I feel like
31st.
we've had this discussion.
Yeah, that's
I'll
what I
give you
remember.
options. It's like if you care for the
You're
independence, you'll know.
Piscean.
If you care for the independence, you'll know it. 31st August, 31st Jan, 5th February, 15th July.
31st August.
Yay!
One out of two. Not bad. Did you still are in the
Yeah,
game?
you are cusp. Yeah, that's what I remember. Correct. Huh.
31st August won't be a cusp, no? It's like a proper
22nd
Virgo.
would be a cusp. No,
Yeah.
I'm a Virgo.
It's a proper
You're a
Virgo.
proper girl.
Yeah. What's Rajkumar Rao's debut film? I'll give you options.
LSD.
Yay!
2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Not bad at all. Okay, for which film did Rajkumar Rao get a national award for?
Of course she knows.
Hanji?
She knows it.
But give me options.
Love, Sex or Dhoka, Kai Poche, Shahid, Queen.
Shahid.
She's equal to you. 3 out of 4. So she can actually beat you.
Bluetooth is going now.
Which of the following films does not star Rajkumar Rao? Hamari Adhuri Kahani, Gangs of Wasipur Part 2, Gangs of Wasipur Part 1, Talash.
So then, Hamari Adhuri.
Where he is playing
No, I haven't seen the movie. The option number 3. Part 2 you're there. Part 1 you're not there. Part 1 Gangs of Wasipur.
This guy's recording is there.
अरे वो आप edit कर लो इसको नहीं पता
टीचर नहीं देख रहा है तो चलेगा. टीचर नहीं देख रहा है तो चीटिंग कर सकते हैं.
So, do we give it to her?
Of course.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
4
she's on
out
it.
of 5. So Shruti Hassan
good.
knows Rajkumar Rao
We
much
both
better.
got the same, na?
No, he got 3 out of 5. You got 4 out of 5. So, आपको congratulations.
Thank you.
For
But you know
Yeah,
now that the
yeah.
audience has seen, I should rightfully give it to him only.
And I should give it back to her.
Yeah, we'll just keep.
Happy birthday, Robert.
Yeah.